Well, hit me in the head hard enough, I'll shit the bed. What in the hell would you call that? Well, whatever it is, we'll learn how to make it in just a second. Hey, hi, hello, how we doing? Jason Canarum here. Appreciate you stopping by. But I was informed not too long ago by Miss Susan over at Butler Family Farms that it is ice cream month. So it's the end of the month. I might as well share what I've been making here lately for myself. So let's get to it. Okay, here we are. This is everything that you need. Not too long ago, I made a 3-ingredient vanilla ice cream with just vanilla extract, this condensed sweetened milk, and the heavy whipping cream. We're basically just adding on to it. We're going to make chocolate instead of vanilla. We're going to add Reese's peanut butter cups, some Oreos, and these miniature M&Ms that we get from the Amish store. It's best to do this here stuff beforehand because you don't have enough time as that's beating. But let's get started. We're going to start off with the heavy whipping cream. Pretty simple. We're just going to put it right in the blender here. Look at that. We're going to put the blender down and we're going to put it on high. You won't be able to hear me after that. So we're going to put about 5 or 6 scoops of this nice thick in there as it's blending. We'll stir it in and I'll get back to you Alright, now we're going to open up this sweet condensed milk. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of pure vanilla extract.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day, I'm right. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go! You seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please.
So this is what I think the heavy whipping cream should look like when it is finished.
I've told you over and over again. You gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans.
Okay, now that that is done, touch off over the beaters as you can. Now the recipe said you take half of this and you mix it gently. So I've pretty much just been doing it this way, turn it over a few times. They said something about not busting up all the air bubbles that you just put into the heavy whipping cream. Gently mix it up. Alright. After you got mixed up parsley, Alright, there it is. Let's go ahead and put this in the freezer for the next, probably 10-12 hours. I'll see you then. Looky there. Look at that. You can definitely see the M&Ms and the Oreo cookies. You can't really see the Reese's peanut butter cups, but I had it shaved down pretty good. And last but not least, you gotta do a taste test, right? Otherwise, how would you guys at home know how this tastes? But, of course, I made it. It's got all this good stuff in it, so it's got to be good, right? Don't take my word for it, try it. And remember, it's going to put a smile on your face, so smile while you still have teeth. See ya.